How to unblock your WeChat account. First, let's try the method of self-unblocking. Use this method if WeChat lets you verify your account yourself. So first, go ahead, open your WeChat application on your mobile device. Now in the login screen, tap on Login. Then tap on Unable to log in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. From the menu that appears, go ahead and tap on Request for WeChat account password recovery. Agree to the terms and conditions and then tap on Start Appeal. Now enter your country, region, and your mobile number. WeChat will send a verification code. You can go ahead and enter the code in this box and then tap on Next and follow the on-screen instructions to recover your WeChat account. If this method does not work, go ahead, tap on Login, then tap on More option, which is beside Unable to log in. Then tap on Go to Security Center, then tap on Unblock Account. Now you need to go ahead and enter your registered phone number and the verification code OTP and follow the instructions on the screen and submit. If your account is restricted due to violation of the rules or any regulations or another reason, you can use your mobile device and follow the on-screen instructions over here to unblock your account. Choose Ask a Friend to verify and your friend opens WeChat and searches for WeChat team. They will tap account and then tap on Help Friend Login and they'll enter your phone number and they'll submit the verification as well. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours, or you can also expect a response in 3 to 7 business days. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.